Error code 271 in Roblox means you were kicked because you joined a server that's shutting down, often due to no active players for 20 minutes or a server crash. Here's a complete step-by-step guide to fix it and keep it from happening again. Step 1. Rejoin the game. Open Roblox, find the game, and select a new server from the server list. Most times, this gets you back in quickly since the issue is tied to that specific server shutting down. Step 2. Stay active to prevent shutdowns. Roblox servers close after 20 minutes if no players are active. To avoid this, move your character, jump, chat, or interact every few minutes to reset the server's inactivity timer. If you need to step away, set a timer to remind you to move your character every 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Join populated servers. Empty or low player servers are more likely to shut down. In the game's server list, look for servers with more players, or invite friends to join you to keep the server active. Some games let you create private servers. Check the game's Roblox page for that option to control your session. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make you seem inactive or cause delays that lead to a kick. Google Internet Speed Test to check your ping and download speed. If it's slow, move closer to your router, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi, or use a wired connection. Unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in to reset it if needed. Step 5. Free up bandwidth. Apps or tabs like streaming, downloads, or video calls can hog your internet, causing lag that mimics inactivity. Close everything you don't need to ensure Roblox gets a stable connection. Step 6. Optimize your device. If your phone, PC, or console is slow, it might not register your actions, making you appear idle. Go to the game settings and lower graphics quality. Turn off shadows or effects. Close background apps to free up memory, especially on mobile devices or older PCs. Step 7. Restart Roblox or your device. If you can't join a new server, close the Roblox app completely, wait a minute, and reopen it. If that doesn't work, reboot your device, phone, tablet, PC, or console to clear any glitches causing connection issues. Step 8. Check for server issues. Sometimes, Error 271 is caused by a server crash or maintenance, not just inactivity. Visit downdetector.com or check Roblox's official X account for reports of outages or server problems. You can also go to status.roblox.com to see if there's platform-wide maintenance. If servers are down, wait a bit and try again. Step 9. Secure your account. A compromised account or glitchy client can cause unexpected kicks. Go to roblox.com, log in, and click the gear for settings. Select security, scroll to see active sessions, and log out of any unfamiliar devices by clicking the arrow and selecting Log Out. For a full reset, click Log Out of all other sessions. Then, change your password and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to lock down your account. Step 10. Clear Roblox app data. If the error persists, the app might be glitched. On your device, go to Roblox's app settings and clear the cache. For PCs, uninstall Roblox via Control Panel, then reinstall it from roblox.com. On mobile, delete and re-download the app from your app store. Step 11. Contact Roblox support. If you're still getting Error 271 after trying everything, visit help.roblox.com. Submit a support ticket with your username, the game name, error code 271, and a detailed description of what happened. Be patient for their response, as it may take a few days. One final tip. If you often play solo or in low-player games, try joining during peak hours when more players are online, or check if the game offers VIP or private servers for more control. This can help avoid server shutdowns. That's everything you need to fix error code 271. Follow these steps, and you'll be back in Roblox without a hitch. Like if this saved your game, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and fixes. Keep gaming.